In a world where the balance of power often seems skewed, have we ever paused to consider if there might be a different way? A way that doesn't just challenge the status quo, but overhauls it completely. Today we delve into a concept that does just that: syndicalism. Syndicalism, a term derived from the French word syndicate, which means trade union, is more than just a fancy word. It's an ideology, a movement, a potential solution to the societal problems we face. It's a system where workers control their industries through local trade unions. But it's not just about control, it's about ownership. In a syndicalist system, workers own and manage their workplaces, making decisions collectively for the betterment of all. Imagine a society where the people who create the products, provide the services, and do the actual work also get to call the shots. No more top-down management, no more decisions made by those detached from the realities of the work floor. Instead, decisions come from the bottom up, from those who know the work best because they're the ones doing it. Syndicalism dismantles the traditional power hierarchy, replacing it with a more democratic and egalitarian system. In this system, every voice matters, every opinion counts, and every decision benefits the many, not just the few. So how does syndicalism work? It's all about organization. Workers unite in local trade unions, which then come together to form a federation of unions. These federations can span industries, cities, even countries. And within these federations, decisions are made collectively through a process of direct democracy. This means that every worker has a say, every worker has a vote, and every worker has a stake in the outcome. Now, let's circle back to our opening question. How might syndicalism benefit society as a whole? Firstly, syndicalism encourages worker empowerment. It gives those who are often overlooked a voice, a say, a stake in their own futures. It's a system where the many rule, not the few. Secondly, syndicalism promotes economic equality. Without a top tier of executives taking a lion's share of the profits, wealth is more evenly distributed among those who actually generate it. Lastly, syndicalism fosters community. In a world where individualism often takes center stage, syndicalism encourages cooperation, collaboration, and mutual aid. To summarize, syndicalism is an ideology that champions workers' control and ownership of their industries. It's a system where decisions are made by those who know the work best, promoting empowerment, equality, and community. It's a potential solution to many of the societal issues we face today, offering a different way, a new path, a fresh perspective. In a world where the balance of power often seems skewed, syndicalism offers a vision of a more egalitarian, democratic, and just society. It poses a compelling question for us all. What if the many, not just the few, held the power? It's a question worth pondering as we navigate the complexities of our world.